So now what we're going to do is install the theme that we need to create and customize our e-commerce website with WordPress. So what I want you to do is click on the link to bring you to the text tutorial on how to make an e-commerce website with WordPress, and then come down to step number 3, which is installing the WordPress theme. And you can see right here that we have a link that says you can download the theme zip file for free. As I mentioned earlier, the Themify shop theme that we're going to be using is a premium theme, and normally you have to pay to get access to this theme. But we have a partnership with Themify so that we can provide you this theme for free. But if you ever want to get free upgrades or updates, you can use one of these affiliate links right here to go to the Themify website and get the membership yourself. But right now, you can get the theme for free by clicking on this link right here. So I want you to click on this blue link that says you can download the theme zip file, and you're going to download a folder. And then what I want you to do is go back to the WordPress website right here, or the dashboard for our e-commerce website. And we're going to go down and install the theme. So we're going to hover over Appearance and then click on Themes. And once you come to the Add Themes page, you can see there are a bunch of different themes here. And if this is your first time using WordPress, the WordPress directory does have a bunch of different themes that WordPress developers create for you. So you can always use one of these to make a website, but since we're making an online store, we want to use a specific theme that really works with WooCommerce and helps you make a beautiful e-commerce website. So we're going to use a premium theme, and what I want you to do is click on the Upload Theme button right here. And what I want you to do is go to wherever you downloaded the zip file from the NYC Tech Club website, and if you need to, double click it to open up the folder so that you see all of these files. So we have the demo images, and then we have some plugins, and then the Themify shop zip file. You want to make sure that this is a zip file. So if it's a folder right now, what you want to do is right click it and then compress it so it turns into a zip file. And once you have it zipped, just select it and then click choose right here, and then click on the install button. And once the theme is installed, we can just click on the activate link. And once the theme is activated, you should be brought to the Themify settings page. And if you get a pop-up right here, go ahead and click on the X to remove the skins and demos pop-up. We're not going to select a different skin. So if I go to this tab right here, we're going to make sure that we use the default option right here. And we don't want to import any of the demo images because we're going to be starting from scratch. Okay, so what we can do is we're going to go into the theme settings in just a little bit and select our layout, our colors, and all of our custom settings. But what we're going to do now is move on, and we're going to start installing some plugins that we need for our e-commerce website that we're learning how to make.